How to start the smoothie diet, step-by-step beginner's guide. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to reset your body, boost your energy, and jumpstart your weight loss, all with delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies? If so, you've come to the correct place. In today's video, I will guide you step-by-step on how to start the smoothie diet. Whether you're trying a new diet for the first time or you've struggled with dieting in the past, this video will break everything down in a way that's simple, practical, and easy to follow. Step 1. Understand the plan. The smoothie diet is a 21-day plan that replaces 2 meals a day with healthy, filling smoothies, designed to help you detox, burn fat, and get real results without starving yourself. Here are 6 healthy fruit and vegetable smoothie recipes that will give you energy all day long. 1. Banana Spinach Power Smoothie. The benefits are rich in potassium, iron, and natural sugars for sustained energy. The ingredients are 1 banana, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 2. Berry Beet Booster. The benefits are high in antioxidants and nitrates that improve blood flow and stamina. The ingredients are 1/2 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup cooked or raw beetroot, peeled and chopped, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water, juice of 1/2 lemon. 3. Mango Carrot Vitality Smoothie. The benefits are packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, and natural sugars for vibrant energy. The ingredients are 1 cup chopped mango, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1 small orange, peeled, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 cup cold water or coconut water, and ice cubes. 4. Pineapple Cucumber Hydration Smoothie. The benefits are keeps you refreshed and hydrated with electrolytes and vitamin C. The ingredients are 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1/2 cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1/2 cup spinach or kale, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 cup green tea, chilled, mint leaves, optional. 5. Green Apple and Avocado Smoothie. The benefits are healthy fats plus fiber equals long-lasting energy and fullness. The ingredients are 1 green apple, cored and sliced, 1/2 avocado, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, dash of sea salt. 6. Cherry Kale Wake Up Blend. The benefits are anti-inflammatory, muscle recovery, and high in iron. The ingredients are 1 cup pitted cherries, fresh or frozen, 1 cup chopped kale, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup oat milk, and a dash of nutmeg. Smoothies are the ultimate way to jam-pack as much nutrition as possible into one drink. Each day, you'll have 2 smoothies, 1 solid meal, ideally low carb and high in protein, and healthy snacks in between. It's structured, simple, and super effective. Step 2. Prep your ingredients. Next, prep is key. Stock up on fresh fruits like berries, mangoes, pineapples, and bananas, plus leafy greens like spinach and kale. Please keep in mind healthy fats like avocado, chia seeds, and nut butters, plus liquid bases like almond milk, coconut water, or green tea. Step 3. Learn the formula. Every smoothie follows this simple formula: 1 to 2 cups of fruit, 1 handful of leafy greens, 1 healthy fat, 1 protein or fiber boost, and 1 liquid base. Stick with the recipes provided, especially in the first week, to keep things balanced and avoid sugar overload. Or try the 5-element smoothie formula: 1 leafy green, 1 to 2 fruits, 1 healthy fat, 1 protein source, 1 liquid base, water, almond milk, coconut water, green tea, etc. Step 4. Staying on track. Stay on track by planning ahead. Prep your smoothies the night before or use freezer smoothie bags. Track your progress, whether it's with weight, energy levels, or how your clothes fit. Celebrate the small wins. Tag us with your smoothies using #SmoothieResetChallenge. Get over 200 delicious smoothie and juicing recipes. Get access to amazing varieties of smoothies and juice recipes made from apples and pears, citrus, allium, veggies, berries, melons, and so on. So if you're ready to give your body a clean, refreshing reset, click the link in the description. It's a wonderful place to start. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a healthy tip from us. Drop a 7 in the comments if you're starting your smoothie journey today.